Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Secured Homes. Today, I want to introduce you to this beautiful, newly built duplex townhouses that comes with bedrooms fully furnished. Only 4 units in a gated community located at South La. South La is just about 15-20 minutes drive to Kotoka International Airport, less than 5 minutes drive to Cantonment, and also 1 minute drive to Labadi beach. You have the beach view, you feel the sea breeze, and you have all the natural feeling around this particular property. It comes with fully furnished with quality materials, and the neighborhood comes with 100% tar road. Now, let me take you inside the property and show you what it comes with. It comes with a plant for the whole community. It comes with a swimming pool, and it comes with a security post. It is listed on the market for $480,000 US, and it's negotiable. Payment plan is accepted. If you are interested in this property, kindly contact Secured Homes on 050-3373-419. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's continue with the rest of the video, and let me show you all the specifications this property comes with. Thank you. Now, at the compound of the property, beautiful natural green decor. The swimming pool section. A standby generator for all the 4 units. This property is very beautiful. It comes with class. A glass house with a sea view. Each unit comes with 4 bedrooms, very sizable, 3 floors. The ground floor comes with 1 outer house. The first floor comes with 2 beautiful bedrooms, and the second floor comes with only the master bedroom and a terrace, fully furnished. Now, let me take you inside the property so we go into details. This property comes with smart specifications. You can use a remote or Alexa to control your curtains and a lot more. It comes with a high volume living area with beautiful chandeliers. And just know that buying this property comes with everything you see in here. A beautiful 6-seater dining section. Let's take a look at the pantry. Now, the powder room. All the washrooms in this property comes with floating WC 247 water. A very classy fitted kitchen. There is one bedroom downstairs, but it's locked at the moment. So let me take you to the first floor and let's view the 2 bedrooms together with the terrace. From there, we go straight to the second floor to see the primary bedroom or the master bedroom and the terrace. Now, at the first floor, and this is the mini family area. Let's take a look at bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3 at the first floor. Now, this is the walkway that takes you to the terrace and also gives you a great view to the living area. Now, let's go to the second floor and view the master bedroom. Now, let's take a look at the primary or the master bedroom. One beautiful thing about this property is that every material used is very quality and top-notch and can withstand the weather and the sea breeze as well. Now this space comes with walk-in closet. Now let's take a look at the terrace that comes with a master bedroom. Once again, this property comes with smart specifications. You can use remote or voice command to control your lights, curtains, and a lot of appliances. Secondly, it's going for $480,000 US and it's negotiable. Mortgage is accepted. It comes on a fully tarred road. It's close to the airport, close to Labadi, close to Cantonment, close to Labadi Beach, close to Osu, and close to the police headquarters. This property is in a perfect location for investment. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share. Thanks for watching.